In our previous videos, we discussed about coins, tokens, and some DEX exchanges. But we never ever talk about any wallet or any place where you can store your crypto and even send BTC, Ethereum, and other cryptos on usernames instead of address. But in this video, I will share a plan which mainly focuses on storing, selling, and staking within one wallet. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because right now this wallet is available on Play Store and also on the Apple Store. So you can easily download and you can also store your own crypto in your personal mobile phone.
Feel uninvited.
Haggles is a multi-currency blockchain-based exchange offering a global currency platform for secure peer-to-peer trading, lending, and borrowing. Haggles also solves the problem of exchanging cryptocurrency for utility services or purchasing of a product using cryptocurrency, storing your crypto assets which come with significant interest. Here you can see right now the Haggles mobile app is also live. For example, if you want to save your crypto, you can save your crypto in this wallet. You can download the wallet directly from the Google Play and also it is available on the App Store. Now something big about the Haggles. Haggles is a well positioned and on its way to becoming the leading services based crypto platform in the ecosystem. Haggles has come to offer an all-in-one services where users can trade, exchange their coins, stake, lend, buy and sell cryptocurrency and also gift cards with the secured the escrow service and also pay for the utility services using Haggles wallet. That is basically the main platform. Now I will tell you that how you can sign up. It's entirely very easy. First of all, I will share the link of the Haggles account. You have to enter your name, your email address, password, confirm password. So what you will get if you are going to sign up, you will get up to $10 amount of HAG coins. Safely trade and receive cryptos fast. Haggles offer a safe and secure platform to easily send and receive cryptos from anyone in the world. Your transactions are not limited by the boundaries. Now, some more features about the Haggles. Basically, you can also manage your digital assets all in one place simply in your personal mobile phone. You can easily manage each and everything and you can send Bitcoin to usernames instead of Bitcoin address. Every user on the platform can make up to 3 free internal transfers. Fees are extremely low. Users can save their Bitcoin, BCH, Doge and LTC, the piggy banks. Every user who signs up will have $10 worth of HAG upon sign up. With the decentralized system, users will have full control of their digital assets and trade all spotted cryptocurrency gift cards directly between the users, peer-to-peer smart contracts. Here you can see about the P2P trading, buy and sell cryptocurrency with anyone in the world with the safe and secure peer-to-peer exchange. Got financial goals? Cultivate discipline and smash your financial goals with the cryptocurrency saving platform. Seamlessly hold fiat in your virtual crypto wallet, which could be used to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Haggles offer you an opportunity to stake your cryptocurrency over a period of time and get rewards. So overall, this project will be huge in near future. Here you can see the Medium blog where they basically told you about that how you can join the ambassador program. Simply you can sign up on this platform and you can use your own referral link. So definitely if your friends are going to sign up on this platform and they are going to use it, so you will get some extra benefit. And also if you want to check out the white paper of the HAG, so you can easily check on the website. The links are available here. You can see when you are going to click on the blog icon, you will get that. So at this time you have the chance to participate in their ICO also, that you can easily buy the HAG token, because this token will be huge in near future because it has many utilities. At this time, as per my own knowledge in entire crypto market, I don't think that even any type of wallet is offering all these things. What you think, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.